The Supreme Court has delivered a major clarification that could bring relief to thousands of students involved in protest against examination paper leaks. Well, in a significant development, the top court has said that the Delhi government and other state governments can close or withdraw FIRs registered against student protesters wherever permitted under the law. And however, the court has made it clear that this relief will not be available to individuals that are involved in serious and heinous criminal offences. Well, the clarification comes after confusion emerged over the court's earlier order regarding police action against protesters. So what exactly did the Supreme Court say, and who will benefit from this decision, and what happens next? Let us understand each and everything. Well, firstly, the matter was heard by a Supreme Court bench headed by Chief Justice of India Surya Kant along with Justice Joymalia Bagchi and Justice V. Mohana. The court was hearing petitions related to alleged police action during protest against paper leaks, including the July 20 Parliament March in Delhi. And earlier on July 28, the Supreme Court had directed that no coercive action should be taken against protesting students unless they had criminal records. However, some petitioners raised concerns that this order could create difficulties in withdrawing cases against students who participated in peaceful protest. Well, following this, the Supreme Court clarified that its earlier order does not stop governments from closing or withdrawing FIRs against student protesters through the proper legal process, and the court specifically stated that the term criminal record would refer only to grave and serious offences. And this means that students facing minor cases or protest-related FIRs may still be considered for relief. And during the hearing, senior advocate A.M. Singhvi, appearing for the petitioners, argued that many students could have minor cases that are registered against him and should not lose the benefit of the court's order because of such issues. He said that the authorities should differentiate between peaceful protesters and individuals that are accused of serious crimes. And responding to this, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the Centre and Delhi Police, said that the government was serious about its earlier assurances that students who participated in the protest would not be targeted. He told the court that the government was ready to work with representatives of the protesters in order to find a legal way forward, and the court suggested that the FIRs registered across different states should first be collected and classified. And after this, the authorities can decide which cases can be closed or withdrawn according to the legal procedures. Well, the Supreme Court also discussed allegations of excessive force during the protest, and petitioners raised concerns over alleged police action, including claims of injuries to protesters and the use of crowd control measures. The bench indicated that it may create a detailed protocol regarding the use of pellet guns during protest, including when such measures can be used and under what circumstances. The court has also asked the centre to file its response before the next hearing. Well, following the Supreme Court's clarification, Cockroach Janata Party spokesperson Saurav Das described the development as a major victory for students and young protesters. In a statement, he said that the party expects the central government and BJP NDA-ruled states to immediately honour the assurances given to the students. He said that the party has supported protesters from the very beginning by providing legal assistance, medical support and other necessary help. Saurav Das also thanked lawyers across the nation who have been assisting students and said that the party will continue monitoring developments across the states. Well, the Supreme Court has now posted the matter for further hearing on August 18. While the decision does not automatically cancel all the FIRs, it gives government the option to withdraw cases against eligible protesters through legal procedures. And for thousands of students facing cases that are linked to paper leak protests, the clarification is being seen as a significant step towards the relief. That's all for now. Stay tuned with the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.